Hello, my dear friends. As a physiotherapist, I suggest how to test yourself whether your lungs are healthy and you need not to worry. As a physiotherapist, I advise you do the breathing exercise. Then check up your breath holding time. Normally, breath holding time, if it is 30 seconds or more than 30 seconds, then you feel healthy. And after that, do the 6-minute walking and then again measure this pulse oximeter. Through oximeter you can measure your SpO2. SpO2, if it is decreasing after 6-minute walk, then also you feel healthy if it is more than 94%. So you can test if lungs are affected. Then after 6 minutes, if you measure your SpO2, then it will be in decreasing. That means if in normal condition SpO2 is 97, then after 6-minute walk, this will be in decreasing manner. This may go down when below 94. If it is below 94, 93, then you can think something is wrong in the lungs. So by this doing exercise, deep breathing exercise, you can increase your breath holding time slowly. In the masses you should do. Whether somebody is affected or not, every day. We have to hold the deep breath at least for 30 seconds. And if corona patient is there, then if 25 seconds is there, then also need not to worry. So in this manner you can check up whether your lungs involvements are there or not. And for the normal person also, if they are doing deep breathing exercise, like I will show you, like suppose you are first you sit down straight on any sofa set or any chair, then take the deep breath from your mouth or nostril. It doesn't make a difference. Like you see. Like this. If you do this breath holding time, mine is more than 1 minute. More than 1 minute. Even I can hold my deep breath 1 minute 38 seconds. So this will increase day by day. A normal person also, if he is much worried about the lungs, then they can start and they can take the deep breath as and when they are getting free time. So by taking deep breath exercise, holding time, then you can think your lungs are enough strong. Even though a normal person, when they are walking, after walk, they can hold the breath, they can do the breathing exercise. So that means you are testing your lungs every now and then. If you feel breathlessness after walking, then also it's must to pay the attention. So after a walk and before the walk, you should measure your SpO2. Thank you very much for being with me. Every now and then I will make this video for the public health. If you have any question regarding SpO2, you can just click my YouTube channel, Dr. Santosh Lal Kamal, physiotherapist. I will be available to give your answer. Thank you very much.